I'm Sylvain Fontes, in charge of industriality in the Information Systems department at Veolia Water France. Veolia is a major player in water management. Through our Green Up strategy, we drive innovation to protect water, optimize networks, and meet environmental challenges, both on the ground and digitally.
I'm Damien Ferrand, SCADA product owner at Veolia Water France. I lead industrial IT projects for 10 regional teams, delivering reliable and scalable tools for optimal water network management. Veolia Water France needed to unify a fragmented SCADA landscape with over 60,000 devices nationwide. With 2GI technology, we deployed a single ignition platform on AWS to support the digital transformation of our 10 regions, in line with our Green Up strategy. We plan to reduce over 100 on-premise servers to about 30 virtual AWS servers aligned with cybersécurité standards. The architecture is scalable, centralizes data, and enhances our daily operations and performance in water resource management. We chose Ignition to unify SCADA across our regions with a single and modern platform. It integrates with AWS, supports all our protocols, and gives our teams access to real-time data on-site and remotely. It's a strategic asset for field operations and real-time decisions.
I'm Guillaume Jimenez, CEO of 2GI Technologie. With over 23 years of experience in industrial IT and team across Europe. We are Premier Certified Ignition Integrator, supporting complex, large-scale supervision projects, especially in water sector.
I'm Pascal Fragnou, developer and integrator at 2GI Technologie. I design advanced SCADA solutions with Ignition, turning complex needs into intuitive, reliable and high-performance interfaces. AWS is Veolia's infrastructure standard. We needed a scalable, high-availability platform to handle real-time data volumes. We implemented a scale-out architecture with load-balanced front-end servers, 10 regional redundant gateways and an EAM module for centralized management. This setup ensures performance, redundancy and fast deployment while remaining fully manageable with native cloud tools. We connected over 60,000 devices using a multi-protocol architecture, OPC UA, APIs and proprietary protocols. Regional redundant gateways hosted in AWS and dedicated to each area collect and standardize the data, delivering a unified real-time national view.
Navigating through the 60,000 installations listed in the Preview menu required dedicated ergonomic design work. On the left, the menu allows the navigation through the various regions divided into territories. The addition of the real-time filter to Ignition Perspective Tree component makes the user experience relevant and efficient. In the center, the map displays the real-time status of the site with a wide variety of communication protocols. The icon indicates the number of alarms, and a mini pop-up provides access to a menu allowing users to view alarm details, or the synaptic diagram showing the installation and its data. In the synaptic view, clicking on a data point directly opens historical data via the Ignition Power Chat component. Accessing a piece of equipment, such as a pump, can also be done with a single click, making it possible to view its status and control it remotely.
Managing 500,000 kilometers of water network meant inconsistent practices across teams, making device integration slow and error-prone. 2GI introduced an auto-discovery system that learns from validated setups and suggests mappings, enabling fast and consistent deployments. The more we use it, the smarter it gets, saving time and improving consistency.
Back to the application. In the installation configuration screen, the list of configurable parameters is automatically displayed by technically browsing the installation's attributes. The user can then map the data displayed on the screen with the data coming from the PLC. This screen includes the auto-discovery system developed by 2GI Technologie, which learn from already mapped installation and automatically detects variables whose names have already been used. With a single click, the auto-discovery button suggests mapping. For example, for a lift station, the system will automatically populate measurement information, sensor faults, and capacity. The user confirms, and the equipment is immediately ready to be supervised. The result: fewer input errors, greater efficiency, and a drastic reduction in operating cost, even without the common standard previously established for all 4,000 users.
Ignition offered the best cost-performance ratio, but beyond that, its unlimited licensing, no device or tag limits, and technical openness, OPC UA, MQTT, REST API were decisive. With tens of thousands of sensors to supervise, traditional licensing models would have been unsustainable. Ignition let us scale based on our needs, not on license constraints. We now supervise over 60,000 devices with 70 million data points processed daily on a high-performance platform accessible from anywhere. Ignition's unlimited model and AWS architecture let us scale freely without licensing limits. Data is better structured, alerts are more relevant, teams react faster, and we can launch new use cases instantly. It's no longer just a SCADA, it becomes a real transformation engine.
In the water sector, cybersecurity is non-negotiable. Ignition was a strategic choice thanks to its cybersec by design approach, fully aligned with the latest standards, especially the European NIS2 directive. With Ignition, we've entered a new era. It's the only SCADA platform we know that supports fully scripted deployment in AWS. No more manual, time-consuming setups. What used to take days or weeks now takes minutes. It's scalable by design, with no compromises.
We are now actively enhancing the platform. We are deploying the alarm notification module to modernize on-call management and improve responsiveness. We are also enabling smartphone access to synoptics, changing how team fields operate in real time. Ignition gave us the foundation for modern, open, and scalable supervision platform. But it's the expertise of 2GI Technologie that turned this vision into concrete operational value.
We built a nationwide, high-availability architecture that transforms complex industrial data into a clear, scalable, and centralized supervision system. We are proud to support Veolia's strategy to protect water through innovation.